Hi everybody. Today is another today we're gonna see how to get all the gears in Joyride on Hot Wheels Velocity X in Monument City. Okay, so let's go. Okay, now this is the place that we're gonna go, Monument City. The car will be Vulture, which is probably my best car for Joyride. And the weapon is jet boosters, which may come in handy sooner or later. Okay, here we go. This is Monument City. Doesn't look too pretty, but there are some really cool spots in it. I've already found all the hidden keys, and I've already unlocked all the 10 gears. So I already got the cars, but still, we'll show you where all of them are. Let's go. First, we'll go this way. The first gear we have to go through here to get. Okay, let's go through this. Let's go through here, and there it is. We got the gear. Now, the next gear. We go here to get into Treadwell Plaza, which is the place that it's called. Now, what we do? We go up this ramp, and we end up right here on a platform on top. And right there's the gear. Congratulations. We've got the second gear already. The third gear is this way. We have to go get it. We have to go up that ramp up ahead to get it. And we got it. We got the gear. Fourth gear. The fourth gear is in the city, which is when we're in the city right here. Then all we have to do is go through these crates, jump off here, go through here, and the gear is right there for us to get. We already have 4 gears, and it's only been about 3 minutes. We're getting less than 1 gear a minute. We're getting more than 1 gear a minute. That's pretty cool, huh? Next gear, we have to go up this ramp to get it. We end up right here. Go off this jump, and there it is. Next gear, 6th gear. It's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to get. You have to go over this loop. Oh no! And I just fell off. I just fell off the loop. Good. Then what you have to do? Go over here. And now, see, right here. You go through here. Then go through here. And the gear is right there. 6 gears already. That's pretty cool. Then we have to go back up here. Next, the 7th gear is right over. Wait, first, alert, the hidden key is somewhere nearby. We have to go up here. We end up on these platforms with jumps on them. At the end of these jumps is the hidden key. Just jump across all the platforms. And the hidden key is right there. I just missed it, but still, it's right there. I'm not making any tricks. Then, the 7th gear. We have to go up here to get it. Up on this wall. And it's right there, but I just missed it as well. But now, the 8th gear we have to go over this loop to get. then, and it's right off this jump. In the 9th gear, we're back in Treadwell Plaza, and the 9th gear is right here. Off this jump, and we're on the ceiling. And now we can go and get that gear. I just missed it. So basically, and then the 10th gear, we have to go back through here, the place where we got the 1st gear. So, still going, back through the tunnel. Still going. Come on. Okay, this is a very long tunnel, but here's the exit. Then we go off this jump. And we go through here, off this jump. And the gear is up ahead. But how do we get it? Because it's on grass. We can't get it from right there. We can't just climb up the hill. That would be too easy. So instead, what we do is we go up here. We go up this jump. And we're in a tunnel. The tunnel leads us to the gear. And we get all the gears. That's how we get all the gears in Monument City. Have any questions? We'll answer them. So that's all the gears. Bye.